Hi guys, today we are making fried rice, coconut fried rice. To make this, I'm going to add coconut oil in a pan, and I'm going to add rice, already washed rice, basmati rice. Use any rice you have. So I am going to fry it in that oil, adding rosemary leaf. You can add your thyme, but I want to add rosemary leaf for today because I don't want the thyme to splash everywhere. So I'm going to add my curry and my turmeric very little. So I will stir and then allow it to fry on a very low heat because I want to achieve crispy rice. So I'm going to add the coconut milk that I have at home. This is from the tin. I'm going to now pour it and so stir. Allow it to cook for some time because this is video, so it's been fast forward. You have to allow it to cook or fry for some time, and then I add my chicken stock cube powder. Then I add a little bit of water from the coconut, and then look at how the water is. It's very little. So what I'll do now is to use my baking paper to cover it. You can use foil to cover it. I just want it to cook in the steam, so the flame will be very low. And then I added another coconut oil in the pan with a little bit of onion and chicken. This is a diced chicken breast. So I'm going to fry it until my own desired taste. This is how I'm going to leave it. I'm going to let it golden brown a bit. Now I add onions in oil. This is coconut oil, green paprika, red paprika, yellow paprika. They are all diced, and I'm adding another chicken stock cube powder. So I am going to place this um rosemary again, and no curry, no, there's curry, sorry, no thyme in this food. I don't want it to look somehow. I just want it to be plain and less ingredient to it. So I added the chicken and shrimps that are fried, and I'm going to add the the sauce that I made, which is the paprika mix that I fried. So I'm going to turn them and make sure they are all incorporated together, and I will allow it to fry also as for some time. So you want to allow it to cook, you don't want it to rush it out, and it's ready. Look at how it looks.